What's up, gang? So I just want to show you guys the TV trades I took this week on gold. I got two wins and one loss. So let's get into it. As you can see on my chart right now, it's 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, immediately I saw the sell retracement from this resistance level, from this supply level rather. I saw price creating this resistance already. So I just figured that price we eventually just break this resistance, or this resistance is the main zone I should just say instead of me to wait, because I was actually waiting for price to break below before, like this level, before I say. And if you look at it, you see that when price break below that level, it didn't come back to that zone to retest anymore. That's why I joined at this level, then just use this pull down, this price pull down as my take profit. I took my 1 to 2 and I closed my trade. So the second trade, I actually took a loss on that one. But why I took a loss on this trade was simple. It was not my fault. It was just price. Price just wanted to sweep liquidity, because I follow my strategy, and I executed the trade very perfectly, because you could see that I was also buying from the demand zone already. So it was a very clear zone for me to buy. And if we can see that price already break above already. Price already established this high. Price already established this high from that level. So I was waiting for a retrace, and I saw another one. So immediately I knew that price would definitely come back to that level. So that's why I bought at that demand. But eventually we took a loss because price just wanted to sweep those liquidity. Just become that those places were just manipulation for price to just sweep the, then after price sweep the liquidity, we can see the pull, we can see the massive buy with momentum back to this very level. So after that, I just waited for price to just break above, to just create new demand zone for me to join. Initially, I wanted to join at this level. That's why you could see my trend line. I wanted to join at this level, but instantly I saw price doing this pull, this high, low. Instantly, I just know that price will come back to that very low, because I've observed this thing on gold countless times. Anytime price is on a distribution phase, it's price likely do not want to come back to that supply zone or resistance. Sorry, that supply or demand zone that you are expecting it to come. Rather, it should just create an initial support, then retest that support, making that support a demand. If you're on a bullish, the same thing with bearish. Price will just create a resistance, then retest that resistance, making the initial supply. Before you know it, to just use that place. Price will just react from that level. So that's what it did basically, yeah. And you could see that after that, price move massively upward. So that's it for gold. So that's just